For the repair of the Yamataki controller, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add power supply and a variable input. As we manipulate the input, the controller reacts by varying the output. We can also see that the relevant LED indicators on the item are opening and closing accordingly.
Κάνω και μια ραμπά και κλείνει το βίντεο.
It is now clear that the controller is operating successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.